According to recent IMF estimates and government reports, India is on the verge of a historic economic milestone. By early 2025 or 2026, India is projected to surpass the $4 trillion mark in nominal GDP. This achievement would make India the fourth largest economy in the world, a testament to the country's remarkable growth trajectory over the past decade. The journey to this point has been driven by robust policy reforms, a dynamic workforce, and a rapidly expanding services sector. As the world watches, India's economic ascent signals a new era of global influence and opportunity for its people. Major force behind India's economic rise is its booming services sector. From information technology to finance and telecommunications, the services industry has consistently delivered strong growth, outpacing many global competitors. This sector not only generates significant revenue but also creates millions of jobs, fueling urbanization and innovation across the country. With annual growth rates estimated between 6% and 8%, the services sector is expected to remain the backbone of India's economy, supporting its ambitions to climb even higher in the global rankings. Looking ahead, India has set its sights even higher. With a targeted GDP of $5.5 trillion by 2028-2030, the country aims to become the world's third largest economy. Achieving this goal will require sustained reforms, investment in infrastructure, and continued innovation in key sectors. The government's focus on digital transformation, manufacturing, and skill development is expected to play a crucial role. As India moves forward, its economic journey will not only shape its own future but also have a profound impact on the global economy.